Hello guys, el día de hoy estuvimos trabajando with our book page number 117 and dice color the main characters, but at first we have to listen to the story. So ready? Here we go.
Track 73. No, Nettie! Nettie and Nicola are brother and sister. Nettie is 6 and Nicola's 8. Nettie and Nicola are in the park. Nicola throws her popsicle stick in the trash can. Nettie is throwing it onto the ground. No, Nettie, shouts Nicola. Don't throw your popsicle stick on the ground. Put it in the trash can. Okay, says Nettie. Nettie and Nicola love popcorn. Nicola throws the popcorn bag in the trash can. Nettie doesn't. He throws it onto the ground. No, Nettie, shouts Nicola. Throw the popcorn bag into the trash can. Why? Asks Nettie. We have to keep the planet clean, says Nicola. Oh, says Nettie. Nettie throws the bag into the trash can.
Very good. We are talking about to keep clean our planet. Así que vamos a realizarlo en el salón de clases. We clean the classroom. Limpiamos el salón. And we put the trash on the trash can. Así que, bueno, esa es la página 117. And after that, we have the letter N. The letter N, you have to color it. And then you have to listen and circle the letter N. Van a encerrarme aquí la N también. Y dice así. No, Nettie, it's 9. Time to go to bed. No, Nettie, it's time. Time for bed, I said. Ok. Vamos a practicar este little chant. Yo se los repito una vez más si ustedes lo hacen en casa, ok? No, Nettie, it's 9. Time to go to bed. No, Nettie, it's 9. Time for bed, I said. Very good. Bueno, esto es
Track
lo que hicimos el día de hoy. Vamos a seguir trabajando como lo venimos haciendo y pues bueno, espero que el día de hoy mamá se la pasen muy muy bien. Espero que todos los días sean Día de las Madres. Y pues bueno, congratulations, have a great day, spend the most beautiful Mother's Day ever, okay? Nos vemos, saludos del teacher, see you later, bye bye.